Alright, hey y'all, Anson here from Ivey.forge and Homestead. So as you can see behind me, I got a nice pile of dirt. Yes, it's in the bags. We had to do the whole big box store thing. This day and age, things that's going on in the world, we were not able to have materials delivered to us. A few places I called, they're closed right now. So we had to spend a little bit more money to do the individual bags, but that's alright. What we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and utilize, it's the Arkansas Woodcutter. He put out a video about how he mixes some of the dirt and stuff. I think it was a challenge video for him of how he's mixing his dirts for the bigger pots, whatnot. So we're going to use that same technique in the raised bed garden. I don't think we have enough material to fill the entire thing, but we're going to do as much as we can, filling it up, because we have quite a few plants that actually need to get transferred over to get them out of the smaller pots. All right, so let's follow along. All right, so we're going to be starting off with topsoil. We'll put down a layer of topsoil. All right, and then after putting in the topsoil, we're going to come back and sprinkle in a little bit of that black gold, some good old black cow manure. All right, and then after that, we're going to throw in a little bit of peat moss and some more soil, kind of mix it a little bit with our hands, water it really good, get it all set in, and then hopefully by tomorrow, maybe a couple days, we can start transferring our plants over. All right, so let's get to work. All right, so actually before we get started, I wanted to come into the shop and tell y'all a little about my mom's business. Okay, so she actually owns a Navajo taco restaurant. The name of it is Momma Navajo Tacos. They are based out of Willard, Missouri. So if you're in that area, starting this coming Monday, she's going to be reopening. It's going to be a little bit different hours, whatnot. I was talking to her a little bit today. So I'm going to go ahead and put a link to her Facebook page, because that's where she has her schedule of their opening and what's going on. So as of right now, their town, the whole area is only opening a little bit for all this nonsense going on in the world, okay? So it is going to be a little bit hectic getting started, but she is opening up. So go check her out if you're in the area. I guarantee you, you're gonna love it. Gonna love it. All right, that's Momma Mary's Navajo Tacos. Tell them Anson and Gladys sent you. You saw us from this video, and I guarantee you, they'll get you hooked up. All right, go check them out.
Alright, so with the sped up portion of this video, if you haven't noticed, Gladys is a one-handed wonder. Last weekend she decided to smash her thumb with the hammer, building a shot for the little one. Yeah.
Fractured my thumb.
Yep, hairline fracture and shattered the nail all the way across, but she's doing a lot better.
Yeah, doing good.
Alright, let me come and grab y'all so you guys can take a look. Alright, so here we go. We're put a board in there, so like I said, we only had enough dirt to fill it halfway. So that's 19 bags because they shorted us a bag of topsoil, 1 full bag of peat moss, and 2 bags of black gold. Alright, so here's some of our seedlings. These all actually started off in that bag system that we had shown on our Instagram.
Tomatoes.
So a lot of this stuff was planted in really thick. They need to be thinned out.
Yeah.
But we got a lot of different types of tomatoes, some peppers. Most of this here is more of a salsa garden.
Yep.
So.
Except for the onions. The onions never gave.
Yep, and onions never took. All right. All right, so there we go. That's another update to the garden. So Gladys, say bye.
I did say bye. Bye.
All right, so definitely thank y'all, and get around to the garden. Hopefully I don't make y'all sick, and see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye now.